Yes, I'm kind of feeling myself because I think my hair looks good. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be stretching my hair with a blow dryer to see what the stretch look can give me. If you're interested, keep watching. Cue the intro! The problem is it's really flaky. My hair is really flaky today. I used a new product, but I did not wet my hair before I put it in. So I will use the product again, and I'm going to do a separate review on that product. Today I'm going to be using the Remington Damage Protection Blow Dryer. Looks like this. I'll link it down below if you're interested in trying it out. But it looks like it has 3 different settings. It has 2 different speed settings and then 3 different heat settings. And then it has the cool shot. So I am going to be using this to stretch my hair and see what kind of look we get. So let's get started, shall we? So I'm going to section my hair and keep the top in its own section. I'm gonna do a loose palm right there because I don't want to lose any definition by making it a bun or anything. So try to make sections equal. Okay, so there we go. I look crazy. And we are going to see what happens. So I'm going to try the highest speed, but the medium heat setting. And we'll see what happens. Let's get started. All right, so you guys saw me section off the top part of my hair, and that is because I want to keep the definition at the top, but I want, the length at the bottom. So you guys will see at the end, what it looks like if you don't blow dry the top too much. Also, I know you guys see those flakes. Like I said in the video, I tried this product and I was going to wash my hair after this anyway. So I figured I might as well try to stretch it. So I took it out of some twists that I had put in with this product, and I noticed the flakes and I was going to just wash it. But then I decided to try this stretching style because I got my inspiration from Instagram.
I need you, I'ma love you to the end. Let's keep it peace, I don't wanna see you die today. Let's keep the argument outside. There's no way that I can let you get inside. You'll see, okay, I don't know why they lie. To me, I guess that's just the key to life. See, I guess this game is more like hide and seek. So now when people talking down, you speak, put out your chest and hold it proud. You're queen, and I'm still sitting here like, why? Girl, tell me why. Let's testify, don't tell no lie. Still by your side, putting you to me for the ride. Let passion fly, passionate and passionate night. Passion some days, but in the nights it turn to fights. I serenade, I sing a song, talk to my babe. Love in a way, I seen them teardrops on the face. They fade away and leave a stain that break my heart. Now I'm afraid, cause can you save me, tell me why?
I feel like everybody has that one side of their hair they feel like reacts better than the other. I feel like this side looks really good, and I feel like this side looks just okay. Am I being crazy? I love that I got all this volume on the first day, so I look like a clown right now. But I am going to stretch my hair even more than what you guys saw in the first clip. So it looked bigger to me, but I think it's my own perception. So I think that I'm going to try to stretch a little bit more and see what we get from that. So you guys see me grabbing a piece of hair, and you see how I hold the mid shaft of the hair? Well, I hold it at the ends so that the ends still have that nice curl from the twist out, but I'm getting the length from stretching my roots. if you know what I mean. You'll see what I mean at the end of the video.
Love in a way, I seen them teardrops on the face, they fade away and leave a stain that break my heart. Now I'm afraid, can you save me, tell me why?
So this time around, I decided to use the highest heat setting and the highest fan setting. So that's why you see it get a little bit longer, a little bit faster too. And then you see me right there, I am just hitting it with a cold shot.
And all your features give me talents, make it precious. You know I need you, I'ma love you to the end. Let's keep it peaceful. Why? Oh, why? Girl, just tell me why. I want you by my side to the end of my life. Why? Girl, tell me why. You testified and told your lie. You lied to me.
Alright guys, so this is the final result. This is what my stretched hair looks like. If you have any questions, just let me know down in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!